In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't connect the server in Squad. So first go to CMD and then run as administrator. So here you'll write these commands. The first one, ipconfig /renew and then press enter. And then the second command, ipconfig flush DNS. And then the third command, ipconfig /release. And then one last thing you want to do is after you finish loading this last command, you want to go here and type in network reset. So let me just write this correctly. So network reset, click reset now. And then I also suggest that you look if the game is actually down. So you can check by typing is Squad down. So if the server is down, you'll be able to tell from these websites. They will tell you like if the server is down. As you can see, it's currently stable. Sometimes it will say something like there's an error or something. So you'll just have to wait for them to fix the issue. And here, as you can see, sometimes you'll see spikes, people reporting errors. So if that's the case, all you have to do is just wait for them to fix it, and hopefully your issue should be fixed.